Hey everyone, how you doing? Jason from Playwell Bricks here. Just a different kind of video. I wanted to let you know all the exciting things that are happening with Playwell Bricks. Most of you know that we do commission work, and recently we just branched into handling corporate commissions, which is really exciting. And on top of that, we're going to be developing our own custom sets, so we'll be putting a storefront on our webpage and selling our sets through there. Just to show you really quick what I just did for Google Canada. They asked for a Chrome logo, so this is what I designed for them, and they wanted 70 sets. So I went through and got some nice packaging done for the build and great looking instructions from our local printer, and then topped it all off with a great looking sticker for the packaging. So when you get sets from us, this is the kind of quality you can expect. I have a lot of other irons in the fire right now. I'm going to be in talks with a few other different types of businesses, so stay tuned for that. And the other thing I wanted to tell you about is a new series I'm going to be doing for YouTube. There were a couple of really big buildings that people were impressed with over the last year, and I happen to have a huge haul under this table, and that is going to be for those two builds. So I'll be doing those builds in time lapse. And first things first, this week I'm going to finally be digging into those and doing a haul video for you. So that should be pretty exciting. That is it for now. If you haven't taken the time to subscribe to the channel, please do so and hit that bell so you get notifications on all these new videos that are coming out. I, of course, keep on planning to do more studio tutorials and Lego design videos as I have the chance to do so. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Keep dreaming of bricks. Bye-bye.